The South Carolina Research and Development Investment Tax Credit is based upon the Federal Research and Development Tax Credit regarding qualified research expenses, but calculates the credit solely on expenses incurred in South Carolina. In order to be eligible for the South Carolina Research Credit, the business must be allowed a federal research credit under Section 41 of the Internal Revenue Code. The Internal Revenue Code defines qualified research expenses as those expenses for activities intended to discover information that eliminates uncertainty concerning the development or improvement of a product. A product is defined as a process, technique, formula, or invention. Normal commercial outsourced contract research expenses are subject to a 65% limit. Research expenses incurred through a university are subject to a 75% limit. The credit may be claimed by both C corporations and flow-through entities. Current year claims are submitted with the current year return. Amended claims are submitted in accordance with standard amending rules. The documentation requirements for the South Carolina Research Credit follow the same guidelines as the federal return. The taxpayer must be able to put their hands on receipts, key documents, and financial statements if and when required to support expenses claimed. Under the federal definition, the following items do not qualify for the credit: general and administrative payroll, supplies not involved directly in the R&D, depreciable property and land, advertising, marketing, utilities, small tools, and shipping costs. The South Carolina credit amount is equal to 5% of the amount of South Carolina QREs within the state in the current taxable year. The credit amount taken in any one year cannot exceed 50% of the company's remaining tax liability after all other credits have been applied. Any unused credits may be carried forward for 10 years from the date of the qualified expenditure. For further information on state research credits or the federal research credit, please visit our Swanson Read YouTube channel by clicking the link below. To speak with a Swanson Read advisor, simply click on the contact button in the lower left-hand corner of the screen.